In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, influencer marketing has emerged as a powerful force. Brands are constantly seeking out the next big influencer to collaborate with. However, many overlook a crucial aspect: nurturing long-term relationships with their influencers. This is where influencer recharge comes in. It's not just about short-term campaigns, it's about building lasting partnerships for sustained growth. Imagine a close friend. You wouldn't reach out only when you need a favor, would you? The same applies to influencers. Influencer recharge is about treating influencers like valued partners, not just transactional contacts. This approach fosters loyalty and yields remarkable results for your brand. Influencer recharge is a strategic approach to influencer marketing. It focuses on nurturing and maintaining long-term relationships with your influencers. It's about going beyond one-off campaigns and investing in ongoing engagement. Think of it as providing your influencers with the energy and motivation they need to be effective advocates for your brand. Just like you recharge your phone, you need to recharge your influencer relationships for optimal performance. In a nutshell, influencer recharge is crucial for sustainable success in influencer marketing. When you invest in your influencers, they're more likely to invest in you and your brand. This translates to more authentic content, deeper audience connections, and ultimately a higher return on your investment. Neglecting to recharge your influencers can lead to influencer fatigue. This results in decreased engagement, lower quality content, and a decline in the overall effectiveness of your campaigns. Section 4. The benefits of influencer recharge. The benefits of influencer recharge are numerous and impactful, offering a range of advantages that can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. First and foremost, it fosters sustained engagement, ensuring that your brand remains relevant and continuously in the spotlight. When influencers feel valued and appreciated, they are more likely to consistently create high-quality content for your brand, which in turn drives better results. This keeps your audience engaged and your brand top of mind, making it easier to maintain a loyal customer base. Second, influencer recharge cultivates brand loyalty, which is crucial for long-term success. Influencers who feel appreciated are more likely to become true advocates for your brand, sharing their positive experiences authentically. They will genuinely believe in your products or services and share their enthusiasm with their audience, creating a ripple effect of trust and credibility. Finally, influencer recharge promotes cost efficiency, which is a significant consideration for any marketing strategy. Retaining existing influencers is more cost-effective than constantly searching for new ones, saving both time and resources. Long-term partnerships reduce acquisition costs and allow you to build on established relationships, leading to more cohesive and successful campaigns over time. Section 5. How to recharge your influencers, a step-by-step guide. First, personalized communication. Go beyond generic emails and make your influencers feel truly valued. Send personalized messages, handwritten notes, or even small gifts to show your appreciation. These small gestures can make a big difference. Second, value beyond money. Offer exclusive perks like early access to new products, behind-the-scenes content, or opportunities for professional development. These perks can create a deeper connection. Third, incentivize long-term partnerships. Consider offering performance-based bonuses or tiered incentives to encourage ongoing collaboration. This can motivate influencers to stay committed. Fourth, refresh content. Provide influencers with new and exciting content ideas to keep their creativity flowing and their audience engaged. Fresh content keeps the partnership dynamic. And finally, regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-in calls or meetings to discuss ongoing campaigns, address any concerns, and maintain open communication. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. Section 6. Recharging in Action, a case study. In this section, we delve into a real-world example to illustrate the effectiveness of the influencer recharge strategy. A leading skincare brand partnered with a group of beauty influencers for a new product launch. This collaboration aimed to leverage the influencer's reach and credibility to create a buzz around the new skincare line. They implemented an influencer recharge strategy, which included personalized gifts, exclusive content, and ongoing communication. The brand ensured that each influencer felt valued and engaged throughout the campaign. The result? The campaign achieved a 30% higher engagement rate. This significant boost in engagement was a direct result of the personalized approach and consistent interaction with the influencers, and a 20% increase in sales compared to previous launches without influencer recharge. The sales figures clearly demonstrated the financial impact of the strategy. This case study highlights the tangible benefits of influencer recharge. It shows how a well-executed strategy can lead to measurable success. By investing in their influencers, the brand fostered strong relationships that translated into impressive results. These relationships were key to the campaign's success. It's time to refresh your approach to influencer marketing. Consider how personalized engagement and consistent communication can transform your campaigns. Embrace the power of influencer recharge and watch your brand soar to new heights. The potential for growth and success is immense when you prioritize your influencers.